Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Heather. Today's video will be a meal prep video for week 3 of the Summer Tone Up series.
Every time I close my eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never alone.
This week's meal prep will be similar to the first 2 weeks of the Summer Tone Up because I'm working at home and a lot of these meals have fresh ingredients that don't always last as long. I'm washing vegetables and prepping ingredients for meals throughout the week rather than cooking everything in one day. As you can see here, I'm washing all my produce with Trader Joe's Produce Wash. This is always the first step for all my meal preps. While I had produce soaking, I used that downtime to prepare stations for the recipes that I was cooking ahead of time. Of course, if you've watched my previous meal prep videos before, you know that I use a salad spinner for any leafy vegetables to get the extra moisture out. I got my salad spinner several years ago at Bed Bath & Beyond. Now I'm making some Tone It Up lemon poppy seed muffins. This is one of my favorite muffin recipes of theirs. If you like anything lemon, like lemon bars, I highly recommend these. They do have the recipe available to anyone, not just those who are members of the nutrition plan, so I will leave a link down in the description box to the recipe. I did not have poppy seeds, so I just used some chia seeds instead. And now I'm making 2 servings of mango lime overnight oats for 2 breakfasts for the week.
Looking at you when you're on the phone. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for the hot
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
And now I'm making 2 servings of the Moroccan dish for 2 meals this week.
Wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
One thing I wanted to note real quick is that I am meal prepping on a Tuesday. It's the Tuesday after Memorial Day. I did spend some time with my family over Memorial Day weekend, so I am actually meal prepping and all of that on a Tuesday.
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night.
Again, because it's Tuesday, I am actually taking half of the recipe that I just made of the Moroccan dish and serving it for lunch. And this actually concludes my short meal prep for the week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right